Discover the ancient Chinese technique that has been transforming lives. Once you discover the benefits of putting a spoon on the back of your neck, your life will improve 100%. Did you know that it is possible to remove varicose veins and cellulite using just a spoon? For this to be possible, you will need to grate half a ginger root and a clove of garlic. The combination of these two ingredients will be crucial because together they improve blood circulation, have anticoagulant action helping to thin the blood and prevent the formation of clots, reducing the risk of complications associated with varicose veins, such as deep vein thrombosis. And as for cellulite, both garlic and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation associated with cellulite, as well as stimulate metabolism, promoting fat burning, which results in a reduction in the appearance of cellulite. You know those days when we wake up with horrible stiff neck pain and often don't know what to do? Usually this happens when we sleep awkwardly or have a stiff neck. And with just one spoon you can quickly get rid of it. Just make up and down movements. This will soothe the sore area, relaxing the muscles and easing the pain at the site, resulting in a feeling of relief. If you've twisted your wrist and going to the hospital is not a viable option, whether it's late at night or you're in a remote location. All you'll need are 2 ordinary spoons and some rubber bands. By wrapping the rubber bands around the sore area, you're creating a kind of temporary support. Next, position the spoons on either side of the twisted wrist. This acts like a makeshift bandage, providing stability and keeping it still until you can get proper medical help. This easy technique can be the difference between temporary discomfort and more serious complications. Stay prepared for any eventuality and never underestimate the power of creative solutions in emergency situations. If you have a double chin and it ends up affecting your self-esteem and bothering you a lot, a simple trick using a spoon can help you a lot. Did you know that a chilled spoon can be the key to unlocking your body's full potential for relaxation? By gently applying the chilled spoon to the nape of your neck, you are triggering a series of reactions that have been studied and refined over decades in China. The science behind this practice is fascinating. The cold of the spoon constricts the blood vessels, instantly relieving muscle tension and promoting a deep sense of calm and tranquility.